Sweet, sweet Jamaica, it's festival time again, yeah. Ba-ba-di bam ba-dam bam bam, bam ba-dam bam ba-dam bam bam. It's all about Jamaica, feel me island home. No matter where I go, back to my land I come. It's all about Jamaica, feel me island home. No matter where I go, back to my land I come. All these years we coming along, we stand up bold and we stand up strong. Through the hard times with perseverance, we put our faith in the Almighty One. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, our reggae island, one of a kind in the Caribbean. Coconut water, beautiful data, chilling on the beach in the warm, warm sun. It's all about Jamaica, feel me island home. No matter where I go, back to my land I come. It's all about Jamaica, land of sea and sun. Hey, no matter where I go, back to my land I come. Rose bread fruit and the run jong, sweet reggae vibes and the white rum. Come on everybody, make we have some fun. In a Jamaica the fun canton. Talk about the yaki and the saltfish, our trademark, our national dish. No one eat that, you have the pan chicken, not to mention the escovite fish. Pan the mata bread, the tourists them graph, straight down the river, sit down pan the raft. Then pan the juta to water us. In a the market, craft is a must. It's all about Jamaica, feel me island home. No matter where I go, back to my land I come. Hey, it's all about Jamaica, land of sea and sun. Hey, hey, hey. No matter where I go, back to my land I come. We have the best singers, the fastest runners, beautiful falls, cool rivers. Come on everybody, let's get together. Big up yourself and love one another. The road may rough, sometimes it's steep. Pull up your sleeve and steady your feet. Let's move along in a free island. Let's get together and be strong. Keep our faith in the Almighty One.